Hello everybody, it's Christine. It is time for my Color Rush Studio main kit called Zesty reveal. Normally I do this on the 1st, but I know she shipped it because I got the shipping message, but it has taken its time, you guys. It has definitely traveled around a bit because I just got it yesterday, which was the 3rd. So I don't know. I guess our storms and our mail and everything else has been delayed. So anyways, this is my kit. I'll be making a few layouts with this. And basically, since everything's packed, everything you see here is basically what I'm going to be using. As usual, we get this great tissue paper, which I do encourage you, when you sign up, make sure you hang on to these little tissue papers because they're great little add-ins and for texture and stuff. So let's see what we have, you guys. I have seen some of the reveals. Ooh. But if I'm honest, I think I got different colors. Hold on just a second. Hold on. Let's do the papers first. And then we'll come in and do the embellishments. I just think that's always the good order of things. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Okay, so the paper kit that we have this month is, why is it stuck, you guys? There we go. Okay, let's get that out of there so we don't have the glare. This month is based off of Simple Vintage Linen Market, and I do love a Simple Vintage collection. So beautiful, and it's got this really neat, I'm calling this like a red, white, and blue. This is actually kind of primary colors. So you got red, white, blue, yellow. So gorgeous little floral, perfect for summer. And then the back side is one of their iconic, like layered, faux layered, if you want to call it that, because it has like a little faux stitching. It's got like a little faux doily on here, but this is really good. This is kind of a done for you page. If you like to do kind of quick and easy layouts, this is a great little done for you page. And you can put your title up here and some photos and, you know, a few little embellishments and you're good to go. I think some of these have two. So let me make my way through. If I happen to find one that's a twofer, I'll put it together. This is a great page. This looks like a little bandana. So if you know those classic, they have red and blue. This is so pretty. And you could do like, if you have a little boy, you know, and he's playing cowboys or something, that's a cute little paper for that. And then a wonderful ledger. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I love this. And again, you kind of got that red, white, and blue Americana feel. Really pretty. And then we have a red and white polka dot. What a great background paper. I love this. With a beautiful floral. So you got a yellow and white polka dot, but then you have these florals on top. Now, y'all, this is one of those, I've told y'all before, I'm not really a fussy cutter, but I think I'm being turned into one. Like, I used to not really be a mixed media person, and now I like to use mixed media all the time if I have it available. And I haven't been a fussy cutter person, but then I see something like this and I go, this is such a great fussy cutter. I mean, because this is tons of little paper flowers here. That being said, I got subbies that don't like them flat flowers, so maybe I'll try to avoid that this month. This is number 2 of this page. So I have my polka dots on this side and the flowers on this side. So I'll flip it to the polka dots so you can see that. We have the Simple Vintage, the 3x4 elements. This is great because, again, you can fussy cut. Oh, this is cute. Be you, be bright, be happy. I can see a lead about my daughter with that. Enjoy the day, blue skies ahead. Great little title pieces. Choose joy, smile and be happy. And then this is a cute little stitch piece here, easy breezy. That's really cute. Little dandelion on there. Really wonderful. Sweet lemonade. Oh, I love this paper. Look at all the little lemons. Now I know why it's called Zesty, because our kit's called Zesty, like I said. I love this. So we will have, let me put the elements here, and we got the lemons on top. Isn't that pretty? Love this color palette, you guys. Very summer, very, very summer. Here is a little gingham with some little text print over the top of it, little textured stuff, little, I don't know, like almost like a little yellow grid kind of in there. And then we have a really nice big floral. Again, could be fussy cut out, or it could be done for you, or you could do like I did last month, and I took an X-Acto knife and cut these pieces and kind of lifted them. That's a really nice technique. And a pretty little floral in the back. It's got a little light blue, like a Wedgwood blue maybe, polka dot with little small florals. This looks like a little wallpaper to me. Like grandma's wallpaper. So that's 2 of those. And then we have this gorgeous piece, which has kind of got like a price list, like an old-timey price list from like a general store maybe. And then it's kind of been, you know, textured up and some mixed media up. A great little paper for a diagonal design. Big butterflies with florals. And then a really pretty little quilted. It looks like texture. You can kind of see there's like a little fabric look to this. Definitely looks like a little quilt. Really pretty. And I love this shade of blue too. I don't know the right word for it. Cerulean, is that right? I don't even know. So there's 2 of those. And then we have the 2x2, 4x4 elements. Again, you could fussy cut these little elements out here for your embellishments if you like. Look at the little ladybug, isn't that cute? I love these little cards here. Endless sunshine, a little picture, water picture with a butterfly. I love this up here as well. I love these little pieces. I kind of do see like cutting these out and having those as layering pieces. And the little bicycle here is great. I think we have a sketch this month that has maybe diamonds. Maybe I could use these in some kind of way to do that. I'll share that with you guys in the next week or 2. And that's 2 of those. So that's our paper collection. All right, so let's see what we got to work with in the way of embellishments. Okay, she has included the foam thickers. Again, this is so pretty. Look at all these wonderful title pieces. Sunny, happiness. Oh, you can do sunny days, happiness, enjoy together, hello today. Good things, of course. Smile, sunshine, celebrate, easy breezy, shine, happy. I could totally see combining some of these together for a really great little title. And look at the little ladybugs again. And the little bees. Very, very summery. Very, very summery. Oh, look at this pretty flower. Our butterfly with the flower on it. I don't remember seeing purple anywhere, but this totally goes. Interesting. Got a bunch of little butterflies here. Okay. Then we have the ephemera pieces, bits and pieces here. 51 pieces. I'm not going to pull all these out, but there's another great set of little title pieces. Hello, sunny days, summer, celebrate. And then wonderful little butterflies and florals. That looks great. Look at all these little pieces, y'all. Look at the lemons. Definitely want to do something with lemons. Look at that. That is so pretty. And then we have the exclusives. Okay, so we have an exclusive. They're little fabric hearts. Let's see what we got. Let me see what the texture is. I have to feel it. Okay, so we definitely have, you can see the texture. It's a little bit silky feeling. And then there's pink on the backside. So for some reason, so we have 5 hearts. They kind of have different bases. So you have a pink, a white, a yellow, a red, and a blue. But if for some reason you don't want to mess with the flowers, there's a pink side. I think they're, well, let me see. Oh, no, they're different, you guys. Look. Okay, wait. There's some ivory colored ones. There's a red one. And there's a kind of a nice, pretty blue. So you could go either direction. I like the florals. It's unique. But anyway, that's what you got going on there. Then we have the frazzles, which this is so pretty. Look at this ribbon here, y'all. Look at this blue floral. Isn't that gorgeous? It kind of reminds me of toile, even though it's not. But it's got that kind of color. Oh, that's so pretty. Of course, we have a red pom-pom and a star one. This is very 4th of July-ish to me. And then I love this red and white stripe here. So these are great. I love the frazzles. I love all of this, you guys. All of this. This is so pretty. And then we have some little tabbies. So let's see what these have on these. Oh. I like seeing these because they can go on the edge of your photos, or you can create little journaling cards and attach these so you can pull them off, right? So we have like a little strawberry, we have a little blueberry, we have cherries, and we have lemons. So we got little fruit tabbies. Those are so cute. We got 4 of those. You could either use like a stapler. Obviously you could use like red tape or something like that to attach those to whatever your little heart desires. And then these are some of my favorite new things. Not new, but in the sense like I've just started seeing these here in these kits, and I'm loving it because I've seen acrylic before. And I'm like, oh, I'm so jealous. I had FOMO. I didn't have enough acrylic. And she's started putting these in the kits, and I'm so excited. So we have some stars here. They're a little more pastel than you'll see in a moment on the other. Oh, you know what? I asked her for this. This is my gift. That's why. Although it goes. Like, look at this. Isn't it amazing? So I have this pink stuff. This isn't a la carte, you guys, because she had said, hey, you guys, for being such great team members and for Mother's Day and stuff like that, in May, we got to say, hey, this is what I'd like to have as my little free gift. And so this was a free gift, but I'm not even gonna lie, I'm excited because it goes. Look at this. I didn't even do that intentionally. But these are little acrylic stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 little stars in here. So you guys check out her a la carte stuff because she definitely has a little set of things. This comes in the kit. And you have July, and you have these little acrylic hearts. And then I don't want to drop them, but these centers come out. So you can either leave them in so you have a contrasting color, or you will have additionally 5 extra little stars. I think I would leave this one in just because it's really pretty with the inside the July. But you could take the little ones of these out if you like and give yourself actually 8 stars as opposed to just the 4 with the contrast. I don't know what I'm going to do yet. I do like the contrast, and we'll see because I have these extras. Maybe I'll work with these. Anyway, so that's our kit this month, you guys. I will have layouts on Saturdays except the weekend of the 13th and 14th or 14th and 15th rather, because Miss Jennifer Kane has switched days with me. So my layout will go up on my birthday, the 14th. So you guys, make sure you look down below. There's a code to get 10% off your first order. It's a monthly subscription kit, but then as I mentioned, she does have a la carte. So you can either get the monthly subscription, which I do encourage you to do because I love getting these exclusives, or you can go buy something a la carte. So anyway, that's what we got going on, and we will see you next time. Bye.